Damn, bro, my bad, bro.
How much am I clicking?
It said 25 on the scoreboard for 1 second for some reason.
Oh, I think it was because I lagged the stack.
I'm dead. We have 0. We have 3. What? What did you do? Uh-oh. Dead. I just added Tom Brady. No. Okay, I'm dead. No, stop. But what's the TP? Oh, hell no. How many?
Oh, I got fucking.
Oh, 5 only. I thought it was like a 9.
What the-
Lagging. FPS wise, bro. Game fucking sucks. Nigga, I'm gonna. Dead. Why can I hear people eating gaps? No, 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 no. Wait, behind you there's some people playing Gapo, bro. Like, like, wait, fucking dev or whatever the fucking blue thing means. I just want to trade. First time in my life. Come on, come on. Come on. No, I just dropped the soup! I dropped the soup! No, I dropped the soup! You better have a lot, nigga. Wait. Nah, tell me why I'm... Wait, tell me why I'll be... How many?
2.
Okay, but like... Damn, you're really hopping on the Nacy schedule, like the upload schedule, it's crazy. I cannot refill. No, 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 like... My clicker sucks dick. How was... Oh shit. No, no, Nacy, no! 5 soups. In a dream. Okay, I died. Fuck you, Brady, nigger. Okay. I'm dead. You got a double hit. Was I gaining rate? I'm dead. Nope. No, if I get comboed, it traps. Like, what? Nigga, I got a 30 hit combo on you, and there was only 1 soup. Like, what? Like, how many?